Looks a little light out there right now.
Take that wing handle out of that with one wrap on it.
There we go, a little better. A little more rotation there.
Hey, you guys coming down to the warehouse tomorrow night? We got some work to do on Robbie's boat. All right, I'm going after work.
I'm gonna put your camera back
Eric,
downstairs.
what's the freeway
Okay?
doing?
Staying right with us.
Anybody need beer?
Yep, it was painted last week. Good rotation. We got 2 panels to windward right
Oh, wait. To the right. Some of that's not too big. Hold the boom out.
now. Eric, actually, it's out. It seems like it's out a little bit too much. You kind of want to over trim a little bit. That helps rotate the kite out better with the main. Because if you have the main out all the way, you're kind of killing on the.
5.9 speed. 5.4, 5.4.
Freeway made ground on that last leg. Can you level my grill out?
Is it canted?
Grab, Eric, just grab it with your palm.
Suck it up.
Push.
Grab onto it.
Oh, come on. You want me to do it?
Yeah, it's a fire.
Yeah, I'll do it. You're on fire?
I'm on fire.
Oh, he's burning.
How's my angle, Coop?
I like it, I like it.
All right.
It looks really kind of slow out there, but I don't know. These boats are so small, it's hard to say.
They're sailing deeper. I mean, they have better angle than we do. That's just
We gotta keep an eye
First
on
day, look at this.
freeway.
I put it on my burn.
Oh, please.
Grab it.
You know, it may be a quick 2 jibe, you know?
Yeah.
We wanted to stay closer to the channel too because of the current.
Well, the bad news is that we should be lifting closer to shore, like we were when we were sailing up. We don't want that. We wanted to knock in shore.
So maybe I don't want fun though.
Yeah, but I think we want the current in this case. That light airspeed.
No low pressure.
Right now, this is the favorite event.
Yeah, I got way favored. I got some more pressure here too.
Yeah, you still have the same line down the leeward.
That might be our ticket.